everyone, it's Alyssa here at 107 Juniper Lane, and this is in Greenville. I think it's technically in Grimesville, North Carolina, but we're right on the border. We actually manage both units of this duplex, but today we're going to go take a look at Unit B. So each of these properties has, as you can see, a front porch here. They are equal in size, so sometimes it's easier to tell farther away. They are 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom units. Tons of natural light in here. I don't even have the blinds open in here, but tons and tons of natural light. The bedrooms in here are actually huge. I wish my bedroom was this big. Don't forget about the perception of the camera. And they do have really nice closets too. I love the woodwork in this house. Let's head into bedroom number 2. Again, really great size. I'd say these are about the same size. Rooms just opposite. This room does have a closet, and there is a closet out here next to the bedroom. And we have a bathroom. Really great size, really great condition. And let's head into our kitchen. We do have this little kitchen bar, which is super cute. If you're in the kitchen, you can hang out with everyone still. In the kitchen, really great size for the size of the house. In here. And we do have a little pantry shelf area in here where you could put up some doors if you wanted. And then out here there is, sorry, the window's a little bit dirty here, but there is a porch out there. It's really nice. There is no fence, but it's a really nice area. So come take a look and give me a call if you have any questions. This is 107B Juniper Lane. Bye guys.